Good morning, this is Jovi Overo from Beta 2 in London. It's the 18th of Jan 2012 and the time is 10:18. Yesterday we saw mixed trading across risky asset classes, though the net result was a higher close. Commodities, they closed higher and they were aided by the 4% update in China on the back of hope that the weak Chinese GDP numbers will spur a rate cut. If we turn to the euro, since last week we have seen three powerful short covering rallies in the euro, and this has caused quite a lot of pain for the record euro shorts out there. Yesterday we saw a jump from 1.2650 to a high of 1.28, and it's not far from where it was trading prior to the commencement of Friday's S&P credit rating downgrade. The euro is holding up relatively well despite the likelihood of a Greek default. The shorts, they're going to be a tad concerned about the inability of the euro to sustain a sell-off on the back of bad news. If we turn to the UK, there was a fall in December's inflation numbers yesterday. That was down from 4.8% to 4.2%. Today, this morning, we had unemployment numbers, and it was quite a mixed bag. Employment rose by 180,000 in the 3 months to November. The claimant count fell by 1,200 in December, and the ILO measure of unemployment rose by 118,000 in the 3 months to November, pushing it to 8.4% from 8.1%. Turning to the US dollar, and that was bearish, of course, due to the positive Chinese GDP numbers combined with better than expected German economic sentiment figures, and that drove investors towards riskier assets. Data-wise today, from the US, we have the PPI and the TIC long-term purchasing figures, and that obviously could increase volatility. If it comes out positive, that could generate risk-taking and drive the US dollar lower. Very briefly, oil prices, now they rose above $101 a barrel yesterday, with the price of oil increasing along with the euro as the commodity becomes more attractive to investors when there is a weak USD. Now, if fears persist that Greece will default on its debt, that should lead to a flight to safety, seeing both the euro and oil fall as a result. That's it for this morning. As always, for more news, please log on to our website, allthews.beta2.co.uk. Thank you.